Okay, here's the trailer. Here's the living room. Got a fireplace. Got built-in bookshelves. Just now kind of starting to get it decorated a little bit. And off to here, there's a spare bedroom. I'll make it my office. Work on pictures and stuff in here. And it's got built-ins also. And then off to this bedroom, and then in the hallway is a bathroom. It's alright. I mean, it's got a pretty good shower in it. Front door. Into the living room. I like the built-in shelves. Makes it nice. I don't know why it looks so dark to me, but it does. Anyways, here's the kitchen. There's a quaint little kitchen. I mean, it'll work. Then you go around the corner. It's a nice big pantry. Let me see if I can find a light. There it is. Oops, I had my finger in the way. But, you know, it's a nice, pretty big pantry. You can put a lot of shit in there. It's got nice shelves on the door. And then the washer and dryer will go over here when we get it. And then here's the bedroom. It's pretty nice. Pretty big, actually. And a big walk-in closet. So, I mean, that works. It's huge, which I really need. Then the bedroom has built-in drawers, a little vanity. It's, well, I can get all made up. I think that's just so cute. Whoa. Then off the bedroom is the bathroom. It's got a great bath. Can't wait to take a bath in that thing. It's only got one sink, but I guess that'll work. And then it's got a really ugly shower. I mean, I don't know, I'm just going to cover it up, I guess. And then it's got a great big huge closet in there. So, that's the trailer. I'll take you outside real quick. I'm not going to be out there long because it's like 106 today. Oh, yeah. And a swamp cooler. And Fozzie McDonald's. Hi, Fozzie. I better give my jumps. Nope, you're not going out. So it's got a pretty nice porch. We got a picnic table. We're just now putting up the fence for Foz. So, but that's our yard out there. We'll fence all that. Watering today, trying to get it a little green. It's not beautiful on the outside, but hell, it'll work. So, there's our new house.